How's it going, guys? So today I'm going to be putting on a screen protector on my ticwatch Pro. This is what it looks like. You have two screen protectors here in these bubble wrap style soft bags, 1 and 2 stapled together. We have installation auxiliary tools, so there'll probably be alcohol wipe in there, dust cleaner stickers, etc. A little Amazon search card and a generic instruction. So this isn't specific for the watch, but it's pretty straightforward. It's just a round piece of glass sticking on top of the watch, basically. So let's see how it goes. Take one of these off. Put one back in there. And there it is. So you can see this will fit pretty much bang on the right size, so you can't really get it wrong, to be fair, on the position. So in the auxiliary tools, you get dust absorber stickers, you get quite a nice cloth actually, screen cleaning cloth. You can give this screen a clean, and wet wipes. 2 packets of each, put one to the side. So open the wet wipes. This watch is IP rated, so I'm sure it can handle an alcohol wipe, no problem. Give it a quick wipe down. Wipe all the general area as well, just so you don't get any dust picking up from anywhere else around. Give it a good wipe. Set that to the side. And then use this cloth to wipe it down after that, dry the alcohol off. Make sure there's no particles on there at all. Anything that's underneath will show up, so make sure it's absolutely spotless and clean. You use a dust absorber sticker as well. This is basically just a sticky pad. Stick it down onto the glass and pull it off, like so. This is good for getting in the grooves and the corners of the watch. Should have turned it off before I done this. I don't know if you can see on there, there's a few specks of dust that's picked up. Give it another quick wipe with a wet one. And with a dry one as well. I can't see anything on there, so I'm going to use one of the guide stickers. So this side is what you're going to peel off the back, so I'm going to put a guide sticker on this side. Basically this is just going to allow me to place the glass in position after I remove the label. The sticky side, sorry. There we go, remove the plastic sticky side. We can use this to position it. Like so, and then press it down. And that's it, it's been installed. As you can see, it's edge to edge. Can't even tell there's actually a piece of glass on top. It fits with the bezel really nicely as well. It's great, it's actually really nice. Highly recommend it. I'll put the link in the description below. Definitely for buying the ticwatch Pro, you definitely want to get this tempered glass screen protector, just in case.